This fucking smoke. I gotta get out. Y'all see that shit? Bro, the car is shitting on itself. Bro, it fucking happened, yo. I think I just blew the engine on my 2015 BMW M3. This shit is crazy as fuck. I'm standing on the side of the turnpike right now, and I don't know what the fuck to do. It's just shit, bro. I downshift to third and ready to do a 60 to 130, and all I heard was BOW! Smoke everywhere. This shit is crazy. Let me take y'all inside real quick. Fuck, yo. See what codes come up. I mean, car is now over here. We're about to put it down so that the tow truck from my insurance could come and pick it up. But this is the Jersey Turnpike towing that got the car. And he's about to drop it down. Y'all see that? That's all oil. Bro, look at this shit, bro. What the fuck? I'll get out to that. Alright, so I know y'all can see it is the next day. When I say next day, it's literally the last clip y'all saw was probably like 5 hours ago. But right now I'm on my way back to where the car was because I had to leave the car. My insurance couldn't find me no tow truck driver last night, so I just left the car there, locked it up, and I came back home. So now I'm in the other M3 heading back up there because I just got a call saying that my insurance found the tow truck driver and he's 15 minutes away. And I'm an hour away, and I have the fucking, well, not this, but I have the keys to the car. So it's like, now I have to rush there to get there, else they're gonna cancel it, and then I'm gonna be waiting for another tow truck driver. So, yeah, that's what we doing right now. We trying to rush there to give him the keys so he can take the car to where the car needs to go. So, I'm gonna see y'all when I get over there, because we got a light little journey. We got an hour ahead of us. And it don't look like it's getting any sweeter because there's traffic. So I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna work with it and move with the motions. You know what I mean? What's going on, man? All right. I don't even know where to drop it right now.
You have the key?
Yeah, it should be in the car. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was not expecting it to happen that quick, yo. everything happened so quick, I didn't even have time to update you guys on what the fuck was going on. But just a quick synopsis while I'm driving here, I'll just let you guys know what was going on. So the car was down in East Windsor, and the tow truck driver went to go pick it up. But by the time he got there, he called me while he was 10 minutes away. I live in Philly. He was in East Windsor, New Jersey. That's about an hour away from me. And he called me when he was 15 minutes away. I said, bro, I'm not gonna make that. I'm not gonna lie to you. So he then asked me for permission. He was like, all right, is it cool if I pull your car onto the truck, but I'm gonna put dolly on the wheels so that it could glide up on the ramp to go up on the truck? I said, sure, bro, that's no problem. Go ahead, knock yourself out. So that's exactly what he did. He got the car in the tow truck, and then he met me at GDO, which is where my car is currently at. GDO is gonna be the shop that's taking care of the car and getting the car back on the road. As soon as I pulled up to GDO, the tow truck was pulling up with the car. That shit is crazy. So Danny was already at the shop, and Danny came outside and he was letting us know exactly where to put the car, and he also gave me some information. They started the car up, and based on what he heard, he said it sounds like it's my pistons that are gone. So you guys know, once the pistons are bad, the engine is bad. So 9 times out of 10 the car is going to need a new motor. So that's probably what he's going to do. But right now he only came in literally to get the car off the truck. I told him I was going to come from this morning. So he's been at the shop, which, Danny, I really appreciate you for that, my guy. He was at the shop since this morning waiting on me. While he was there, he started working on some of the cars there. But he told me that he wasn't going to be able to take a look at it until Monday. He did a quick synopsis on it. He looked over it, and he told me, yo, look, based on the oil that's leaking and where the oil is leaking from, it looks like it's a piston, not your turbos, because the oil is leaking on the right side of the engine bay, the driver's side. If it was the turbos, it would be on the left side. So, I mean, we just gonna have to wait until Monday for him to really take the car into the shop and tear it down. But just to give you guys a heads up, the car is on the warranty, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm not really worried about it that much to where I'm gonna be looking at it like, fuck, this is heavy. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am still a little bit nervous about the situation, because if the warranty don't cover this, I definitely have to come out of pocket. And if you guys know, those S55 engines are not fucking cheap at all. So I got my work cut out for me, and I'm crossing my fingers. GFBs, I need y'all help, man. I need y'all help. Comment below, we hope it. That's it. We hope it. Meaning, we hope the fucking warranty cover this shit. Because if it don't, I'm gonna be fucked, y'all. But it's cool. I feel good. A lot of people's talking about, oh, you mad, you sad because your engine broke. I don't give a fuck, to be honest with you guys. The car is, I love the car. I love speeding. I love doing everything. But to me, there's more to life than the car. You know what I mean? I'm glad that I'm still here. I'm glad the car didn't catch on fire. I'm glad I didn't get into an accident. There's so much things that could have happened that could have been worse, and it didn't. So I'm happy for that. So yeah, I'm chilling right now. I'm living, feeling good. I'm on my way back home to Philly. So on Monday, I'm gonna catch back up to you guys. So this vlog is gonna be continued. This is the end of this video though, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, because I know most of you guys are not subscribing. You're watching, like, come on, bro. Support the gang. Become a GFB. And then also follow me on Instagram too. You know, we trying to get it all together. Follow me on Instagram at isthatdj, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.